I'm getting a pinch. Oh my God. All right. When we were in Canada, we applied to JPS to get electricity at this house. Because we had the other house that we sold, we would have canceled that account and whatever, we apply for light here. JPS said light is here. We were still worried because we know customer service not good and all of that, so we were still worried. Anyhow, they say when we come, we must turn on the breaker and we'll get light. So we turn on the breaker, light was here. But my spirit was still heavy. JPS came in the area to change out meters, and I asked them to check to see if this light is in my name. They said no, it's the previous owner. So I went on their customer service and I called them, and they say, oh, because when I checked the app, I realized that I see connected to the previous address. So they said that yes, I am connected. So I said, I can't be connected to the previous address that the house is sold. How comes? 1 week after, JPS sent me a bill for $1,700. Couple days after, they put $1,000 on the bill for the previous address that sold. So I asked them, I said, this make no sense. How are you giving? They said, because I apply for a meter. I said, no, you sent me a letter to say light is at this house that I live. And the letter that you send is for this house. So how can you give us two bill, give two persons, two bill for 1 meter? Him saying can't manage me all right, so him put me on to whatever. So I make sure I write a detailed letter to housing, to JPS, if it drop on the lawyer decks. Within couple minutes, them say we hear from them in 7 days. Within couple minutes, we get a letter from them say, oh, they apologize. It was a mistake and they didn't do due diligence. And it was a mistake they make to give the new owner 1 bill for fair yard and give me another bill. All right, fine. They would have had $6,000 for me and the deposit from the previous bill, the previous account. Mr. JPS send me one water bill. JPS send me one light bill Thursday for $9,800. When I scrutinize it, I see that they charge me $6,000 for service sitting here. So I write them. Me say, what is this? They say, oh, because of the service that they gave me for the previous house in St. Catherine, the $6,000 was used to connect that service. Me say, no. You can't give me $6,000 again. I said, JPS wrote me and apologized. So how is it you are charging me again for this service? I said, look here, I want the money to transfer to this account. That made no sense. So I said, pass the letter up above, because what you tell me no make no sense. Me say they send me one letter in a night last night to say they apologize. The $6,000 that they charge me is in error. So I am to apply for a refund and to let the money come to my new address. They are apologizing. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Water Commission charge me. Water Commission charge me to transfer the meter in my name and give me back the old address and the old everything where they are the address and charge me money to transfer it. So they charge me $10,000 to contact a pipe when me never disconnect. Almost $3,000 to transfer documents that they didn't transfer. I almost take off my clothes and walk naked in there. And it's so them address the problem. Stand on the ground. Stand on the ground. I wonder if JPS and Water Commission knows that some of us know how to write report. Oh no, ramp with me. Oh no, ramp with me, because me no have job. I collect money a month time. Oh no, don't effing play with me. Oh?